Yo, what is going on everyone? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to lower your input delay on keyboard and mouse and how to make your game feel way smoother. Before we get into the video, I just want to tell you about my premium PC tracking service. If you want your PC running at its best in terms of frames, input delay and ping, then make sure to check out my Discord, which is linked on the screen and linked in the bio with over 1000 reviews combined. Okay, so now that we actually get started, the first thing you want to do is press on the Windows plus R key on your keyboard, type in regedit and press on enter or OK. Then follow my steps once you're within the registry editor. So expand HK local machine, expand system, expand current control set, and then services. Now you're gonna scroll down or press on the letter K and look for a folder called KBD class. Then expand it. Click on parameters, right click in the white background, in the middle wherever, and then expand new. Click on 32-bit D word, and then name it keyboard data queue size as such, and then press enter. You're not gonna get an error as long as you don't have the D word already existing. I do, so that's why I'm getting an error. So I'm just gonna delete this one. Then look for the keyboard data queue size D word here and then double click on it. Make it from hexadecimal to decimal. Then make the value to 20. Yours should be 100 automatically unless you've already changed it. This is a value you can play around with, of course, but my general recommendation is just make it 20 so it doesn't get unstable. You can put it lower, but it may become unstable depending on your specs and PC overall, so just make it 20 to be safe, and then press on OK. Then close the KBD class folder, and then same principle, so just scroll down or press on the letter M and look for a folder called MOU class, then expand it, parameters, right click in the white background wherever in the middle, expand new, 32-bit D word, and then make a D word called mouse data queue size and press on enter. Same thing here, you're not gonna get an error as long as you don't have the D word, so I'm gonna delete this one as well. And then look for the mouse data queue size D word. Once it's made, double click on it, make it from hexadecimal to decimal, and yours should be as well 100, the value itself, as long as you haven't changed it. Make it into 20, same thing here, should be a stable value for all specs, and then just press on OK. And then close it, and close the registry editor. Then just restart your PC, and once you're back in, try moving your mouse around a little bit, make sure it's not flickering or anything and it's smooth, and then open your search or notepad or whatever, and then just type in, for example, random letters or just any word, and make sure it's stable and not bugging around. Once that's done, then you wanna right click on your Windows background and open the Nvidia control panel. Then click on adjust image settings with preview. Make sure it's set to use advanced 3D image settings. Then click on manage 3D settings. And then just copy my settings. So everything from image scaling to anti-aliasing mode is gonna be off. Then scroll down a little bit and make sure low latency mode is on. Then look for open GL rendering GPU and make it into your GPU. Then power management mode into prefer maximum performance, and shader cache size to ideally unlimited, but if you have a SSD that's 500 gigabytes or less, I would recommend making it into probably 10 or 100 gigabytes depending on how much usage you have on it. But especially if you have a 200 gigabyte SSD or less, like mine, then make sure it's max 10 gigabytes. Then make the texture filtering quality to high performance, threaded optimization on, then vertical sync off. Scroll down. Once those settings are changed, make sure you apply on the bottom right by clicking the apply button and then confirm it. Then click on configure surround physics and select processor and make it into your GPU, not CPU or auto. apply it as well. Click on adjust desktop size and position, and then make sure your monitor is set to no scaling as long as you're playing on a native res. If you're playing on stretched, I would recommend using CRU and then making it into no scaling. Then after that, you wanna go to manage GPU performance counters. You're probably not gonna have the option. If you don't, then press on the top on desktop and click enable developer settings. Once you tick it, the option will come and then make it into allow access to the GPU performance counters to all users and apply changes, and then that's all done.